Export type, solar street light installation method. This is a 200-watt solar light's overall material. On the far left is the street lamp head. 200-watt solar panel. The two sides next to it are the edge strips of the solar panel, which strengthen the ribs. There are 3 bags of screws inside. Near is the battery compartment host. Next is the flange. Finally, the pick arm. This is all the materials of the 200-watt street light. The two are glued together for threading the lamp cap from the end of the arm. Before threading, prepare a hook like this for hooking the thread. Pass through it. Then hook it out in the middle. This completes the installation of the lamp head. Continue the lamp cap wire through this flange. Pass through it. Then put the flange in. We start to install the part of the main compartment. First thread the lamp holder's wire through this hole in the main compartment. Pull it out here. Then we put this battery in the main compartment. When the battery main compartment is installed, it is the end of the thread, diagonally above. Lock it from the side. Side strips of solar panels. Buckle on the solar panel in this way. Both sides are the same. Install the screws on both ends. Plug in the wiring of this solar panel. Fix the 4 screws under the solar panel. Finally, we tighten all the screws. Adjust the angle. This installation is complete. If you want to know more, you can contact me at maker@suimingchina.com.